Hi, good morning. Today I have Honda Insight 2010 and the customer complaining about the ABS pump. You can see ABS light is turned on, traction control light is on, and handbrake light is on, and the car is start working, and sometime IMA sign is coming due to this one, the reason of that things. And when we try to diagnose this car, and you can see here what code is coming. That's the common problem of these Insight. So when we're going to diagnose the car, we have to go in ABS section, and then you can see what code is coming on there, and then we're going to tell you what is the problem and how we're going to solve that issue. So it's going to be, you can see here, look, if you're going to read the things, and that code is coming 52-01 motor stuck. That's related to the ABS pump. So if we try to clear the code, you can clear the code, but the code should be stay there, and when you're driving, the code will go on, but the code will come back because the problem is in the ABS pump. So if you have the problem of like that, so you have to bring the car. We can take it out the pump, recondition it and put back. Take like 3 to 4 hours, and car will be ready. No need coding, nothing. We done complete job. Or you can take it out the pump and bring the pump to me, and then we can recondition it and put it back on the pump. So it's better bring the car. We're gonna do bleeding, everything, and car will be ready. We can diagnose the other problem as well. So if you have the problem of like that, you can contact me anytime and we can solve your issue. And you can contact me. My phone number is 07402536382. My name is Mr. Terry. So we repair all type of Honda's ABS pumps, and you can contact me anytime. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and 167 Hounslow Motors Ltd. You can see our reviews on the YouTube and Google. So you have any problem, just send me the message through WhatsApp. What code is coming, we can solve your issue, and you can contact me, email through, or you can call me anytime, or send me the message through SMS, so we can come back to you. Thanks for watching my video. You can see other videos. We repair all type of ECUs, airbag unit, instrument clusters, and crash data resets, and BCM body control module as well. So you can contact me anytime. We can solve your issue. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.